Once you learn this banana bread recipe, your kitchen will be the next bakery in your street. Don't say I didn't warn you. Let me plug you to the best banana bread recipe on this street. Now, let's dive right into the video. Whenever you're making banana bread, please use very ripe bananas, like bananas that are very ripe. Don't go and use banana that want to ripe or semi-ripe banana. No, use those ones that are doing peke peke, those ones that almost want to spoil. Hey, that type, they will do the job perfectly. So you're going to use your fork or your whisk to mash it very well before you start mixing any other thing, because you're trying to achieve a smooth consistency. So it's always advisable that you mash it very well before you start mixing. So like I said, this recipe is a game changer. Now you're going to mix for me melted butter and oil. You're not using only oil, you're not using only butter, you're going to mix two of them. They will now marry each other, like that combo, butter and oil, very good combo. So now you're going to crack in your eggs. Be very sure of your eggs. So I'm very sure of my eggs, that's why I'm cracking directly. If you're not very sure, I beg go, no be me send you. My dearest viewer, do not skip any part of this video, because each part of this video is educating and it gets interesting every passing second. Please, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, welcome to Bake with Exotic Cream. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also drop me a comment. I also like to know where you're watching from. If you can, please drop your location in the comment section. I want to interact with you. So we are done mixing our banana bread. This is where the magic happens, where we're going to make our marble. Now you're going to take some of the batter and put it in another bowl, and you're going to mix in your cocoa powder. Please use a very good cocoa powder so it does not affect the taste of your banana bread. Don't go and use those cocoa powder that used to taste like Vaseline. Please use a very good cocoa powder. Then just add in 1 or 2 tablespoons and keep mixing till you get the desired color you want. Then you can start alternating with the other one to get that marble effect in your banana bread. If you have watched up to this point, please help me to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post very good videos like this one, you're going to be the first to get notified. So please turn on your notification bell, like the video, and hit the subscribe button. You really need to try out this recipe. The aroma from this kitchen is something else. Like if you try out this recipe, you'll be baking banana bread every week. I promise you that. So which juice will you be pairing this with? And tell me in the comment section, will you be trying this recipe out? But you should try it. Try it and tag me. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.